Hi, everyone. I hope everyone can hear us. Here's the little Eclipse Foundation team for Jakarta EE. And this is a summer version of the update call. We are actually hoping that most of you had found some time to hit some beaches or relax or enjoy the nice weather in at least in the upper hemisphere. But for all of you that are in the lower hemisphere, you're hopefully avoiding COVID and you're enjoying a little bit of a cool weather as well. So knowing that this could be a little bit less attendant call, as always, we're recording and we're hoping that you will have a chance to review the recording and check out what's new for this month. As always, we're here to help you out with any questions or concerns. So do let us know. Do let us know if this informative version of the and video updates on Jakarta E is helpful, and how we can further tailor it and change it so it could be more informative and more inviting for people to join. So as always, here with me is Shabnam and Ivar, and I'm pretty sure you know them quite well. So today we'll try to take you through some of the updates. So before we go any further, I'll just share what we planned for today's call. It is always the same file in our community folder. And this is kind of a little bit of a welcome to everyone and giving people additional chance to dial in. So Ivar, along with Kevin Sutter, will help out to will let us know what is going on with Jakarta E release, Jakarta E 9 release, and what are the changes. Neil Patterson will talk about some of the marketing updates. Neil is also chair of the marketing committee call. And then Ivar, Shabnam, and I will provide some updates from the Eclipse Foundation, and hopefully we'll have plenty of time to answer any of your questions or concerns. As always, please do leave your questions into the or comments into the chat, or there is a ask a question section, and yeah, let us know. So Ivar, Shabnam, anything from your end? I kind of took a little time to.
No, that was good. Hi everyone, okay. Welcome to the Jakarta community call.
So, yeah, nothing to add either. You did a good job.
Yeah.
Okay, I like when I do a good job. So, Ivar, I'll drop Shabnam off temporarily. I'll pull Kevin in so he can participate into in our updates with regards to Jakarta E 9 release, and at the same time, if I see Kevin, I see Kevin. And you can start walking us through.
Yeah, so welcome, Kevin. So I hope I'm not hijacking your kind of your scene here by doing the update. Usually it's you doing it, but I'll help out and just chime in whenever you have something to comment.
Okay,
we can start with I can start with the kind of not that funny news that we are going to be delayed. we won't reach the September 16 timeline or release date. So, but we haven't set any release date yet or updated it. So we will get there. We are making some progress, and I'll show some of the progress here today. And the kind of the thing we are a little bit behind our schedule is to get the specifications through the ballot to get them approved and finalized by the spec committee. And we have actually today there were some updates. So if we go in and look at the pull requests that are here ready and just search for the ballot label, you can see we have actually 5 that are ready to start the ballot. And we're having a call later today, and hopefully we can kick this started today. So yesterday it was 3, today it's 5, and maybe 7 tomorrow. So let's hope it's going that way. And as you see, this is kind of managed by pull requests, and the specifications that we don't have pull requests for yet are these 12 here. And it's actually 11. So we have the concurrency, the connectors, JSP, server faces, messaging, security, enterprise beams, JSTL, JSONB, ChecksRS, and transactions.
Yeah, one correction. We just got JSONB this morning, so that one will be moving over.
Oh, excellent. Yeah, so it's moving. And our kind of encouragement is if you have anything to contribute with getting these specs across the finish line, you should just jump into the mailing list and start helping in creating these pull requests. And also a special encouragement to the mentors that we have appointed from the specification committee. If you're mentoring one of these specifications, please reach out to them and figure out what's stopping them from creating a pull request. And a little, for those who are not familiar with what these pull requests actually are, it is updates to the information that will end up on this specification listing page on the Jakarta website. So, for example, authentication here, you will get when it's updated, you will get the final version here with all the information for this release. So that's kind of where we are. We are working on the specifications. We have 10 of them we are waiting for a pull request for, and the others are underway and working on, and hopefully we will get out a new release date as soon as possible. But it will be later than September 16, that's for sure, but we cannot say anything about when. But hopefully, or for sure, we'll make it before the year is over.
Oh boy, are we going to quote you on that one, Ivar?
Yeah, you can do.
I just wanted to point out the specifications that are still outstanding. I mean, the specifications themselves and the APIs, they are probably 99.9% complete. Where the lag is with trying to get the TCKs completed and having an appropriate compatible implementation. But even that, at the platform level, we're doing extremely well with the TCK and the Glassfish compatible implementation. We're well over 99% passing, and there's always, the last set of tests that are hard to decipher and to debug. So that's what we're working through. I mean, we currently, we are only aware of 7 issues left with Glassfish that we are working. Now, as we continue to debug these remaining problems, there may be more that have to be opened, but it just shows that we are very close to having more and more of these TCKs and compatible implementations ready to go.
Yeah, I have a feeling we have this ketchup bottle effect coming up. So whenever we start getting specs through and these 7 issues are solved, and it's just going to roll on. And it isn't actually one of the problems we have is that the TCK currently is this major big thing that everybody sort of depend on. So if we can in the future be able to split the TCK so every specification project kind of controls their part of it, we will get rid of some of these dependencies and be able to move faster in the future.
Especially with the independent specifications and being able to be on an independent release schedule, I think that will help considerably.
Yeah, so that is something we absolutely will need the community to help us with when we get past Jakarta E9.
Yep.
So is there anything else we should bring up here, or should we leave the word back to Tanya?
Yeah, I think we can give it back. I just wanted, I think that we are making very good progress with the specification PRs. Based on what happened with the platform calls and stuff in the last couple of days, we have been reaching out to the ones that are still lagging in this milestone 1 ready column. And like I said, JSON B already moved on it overnight. And so I think we'll see more movement here over the next few days. And then it really falls back on us from a spec committee perspective to do more reviewing and balloting and getting them ready for the final release. So we're making progress.
Yeah.
So it is really a call for action. Make a spec committee work. So have those PRs logged so we can make the spec committee work and go through the final stages of the process so we can approve the specifications, or the platform rather specification. Okay.
Yeah, let's spam their inboxes with specifications ready for review and work to be reading it.
Exactly.
They don't have anything to do other than just waiting for these specs right away. So.
Okay. Well, I guess thank you, Ivar and Kevin. Any questions, additional questions from the audience? If there are follow-up questions, you know how to reach us. And if it's during the call, there is Ask a Question button as well. So please let us know. Okay, so moving on then. Okay, bye, Kevin, for now.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
I will bring in Neil Patterson. So let me invite Neil. And he will give us a little bit of update on how are we adjusting from the marketing perspective into this new era COVID situation. So I'll also invite Shabnam and say temporarily bye to Ivar, just in case there are additional marketing related questions. So, and for some reason,
can't find Shabnam.
Okay. Shabnam, where are you, Shabnam? Oh, there she is. Okay. And in the meanwhile, I'll share my screen.
Hi again.
And go to Neil's slide. Okay, there you go, Neil.
Great, thank you. Thanks everybody for joining today. Appreciate the opportunity to provide an update on what's happening with the marketing committee. As Tanya noted, we did a review of the budget for 2020 based on what was happening around the world with COVID-19. We primarily focused on the impact that the pandemic was having on face-to-face events. And we looked at what we could do to best use the funds available that were being freed up because we weren't attending and sponsoring face-to-face events. So using that as a background, we decided to focus stronger attention on the digital aspects of the our overall strategy. Really take a look at how we could improve our website and other aspects of the search engine optimization, some of the keyword rankings and so on, and also work with members to improve our strategy around member acquisition. So this resulted in moving forward with a number of initiatives that hopefully we'll see the fruit from over the next few months in terms of rework of the site to drive better rankings and improve our developer ability to find content faster and easier, and also working with members to improve the back tracing and the linkage between Jakarta EE and the implementation sites, the content that is presented on our member sites. So all of that will be progressing, and as I said, we look forward to seeing some good results from that focus on digital. We also, thanks to a number of members, David and others, and Ryan, who came together to pull a specific data sheet for tool vendors that really highlights the opportunity for migration to Jakarta E9 and getting the tooling in place to support this this change to the specifications that Kevin and Ivar reviewed earlier. This is a perfect opportunity. We have a data sheet now that you as members and developers and others can share with your favorite tool vendors to really start to promote them getting involved now and being ready as we launch Jakarta E9 to take full advantage of the release and move forward. Having made the namespace changes that are the key part of this release. So with that, I think I'm done. Tanya, if you want to move on to your next part.
Yeah, so let's see. Do we have any questions or comments? Shabnam, did you want to add anything?
No, that was a perfect update, Neil. Thanks. I don't see any questions, Tanya.
No, I don't.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so thank you, Neil. We'll provide these occasional updates from marketing as well, just in the case community, well, one is interested, and two, if there are any, there is any input or ideas, we're here to listen as well. Okay, so Neil, bye for now. We'll be in touch, I'm sure, even today, and I'm sure tomorrow. Bye.
Yeah, take care.
Bye. So going back to our agenda, so it is actually update from 3 of us.
Yeah.
So let me bring in Ivar again and go through our deck. So, so today we have just the update on the future events, just a little bit on the what's going on in Jakarta community China and where we're at there. And then, as always, we want to invite you to connect with us. Ivar, did we talk about Gelastic at all? Did we mention how happy we are that with the new data sheet, we already have some impacts there?
So Gelastic, which is a cloud provider, they announced that they are already supporting Jakarta E9 and they support it with currently I think it's Tomcat, Tommy, Glassfish, Wildfly, and they will start supporting the other runtimes as well. And they actually have a pretty cool screenshot here. I'll just paste it in chat so people can look at it.
Okay.
So you can see there how they already have support for Jakarta E9. That's pretty amazing.
And I hope I'm sharing. Yes, I'm sharing the screen. So yeah, we're super excited, and it's a call to action for everyone on this call. If you have cloud providers or different tools that can or have any interest in supporting Java Enterprise Platform, Jakarta EE, please reach out to them and help us get on their radar as well.
Yeah, and if you are providing any tooling or any stuff around Jakarta E9, just send me an email or a tweet or something, and I'll recapture it in my weekly hashtag blogs on Jakarta EE. So if you want some free promotion, just reach out to me.
Yeah. Okay, great. So let's just go quickly through some of the updates regarding the future events. So want to mention the Jakarta Tech Talks. So we have the upcoming talks on August 18th and 25th. Those are, I'm just providing the links for the Jakarta Tech Talk meetup, YouTube playlist, and then, of course, as always, Jakarta community calendar where those Tech Talks are listed. If you are interested to provide a Tech Talk or have even suggestion for a Tech Talk, here is the link. So, and in here, everything that is in green, we already have done it. And we're now scheduling or starting to schedule the Tech Talks for fall. Will Lyons he's just coming up with the title for his talk, but that is happening end of August. So please participate. This is the opportunity for you to show us how you use Jakarta or how you would like to use it or how you would like the technology to be used. So either way, get in touch. Let us know if you have a suggestion for a talk or you would like to present yourself. We are also, I already talked about this last time, but I just want to give a heads up that live stream Portuguese will happen on August 29th. The CFP is closed now. So we're looking forward to that event. If you're, Portuguese or in Portugal or in Brazil, please make sure you dial in and you mark your calendar. The Spanish version of the live stream is in works. Again, this is not regional conference. It is for anyone speaking Spanish. Please register. It is scheduled right now for October 12th. And we pushed out the live stream, Jakarta One live stream 2020 in English. We are trying to make sure that this particular event is accompanied with the release date. So we will get back to you in terms of exactly what the date that is going to be. EclipseCon is coming up, and I have to say that we're looking forward to that one and seeing the registrations for that event as well. The community day that is going to be dedicated to Jakarta E and microprofile is going to happen on October 19th. The community has taken really a leadership this time around for organizing this event. So I think, actually, I know the submissions are already put forward. So I'm looking forward to seeing what community has prepared for the community as well. I have just another quick update with regards to Jakarta Community China. Again, if you are Chinese-speaking Java enterprise developer, please sign up to this form here. But what is new is that we're working on the website. So we're figuring some things out yet, but the intention is to actually have a mirroring website of the Jakarta in Chinese and slightly tailored to the Chinese community. So look out for the information about that. We're expecting that to be ready shortly. Shabnam, do you want to take this one over?
Yeah, sure. Okay, so there are many ways that you can connect with us. You can join our mailing list. You can create pull requests and issues in GitHub. You can join our Slack channels, submit blog posts, and as Tanya mentioned, you can join our monthly Jakarta Tech Talks. And also, if you know any Jakarta related events, you can submit them and we'll publish them on our homepage. And recently, our web dev has created a newsroom to make it easier for the community to submit their Jakarta related news in our homepage. So if you have anything that you want to share with the community, check that link out and submit your news there. We'll review and publish it on our homepage. Next, please. Yeah, and this list, if you check this link out, and if you're interested in any of our Jakarta projects, you can subscribe to any of these mailing lists and start contributing or getting updates and be in touch and get involved. So you can subscribe to this. And then the next one. Yeah, and we recently launched the Jakarta YouTube channel. If you're interested to watch the replay of any of our tech talks, community calls, replay of the virtual events, be sure to subscribe to this Jakarta YouTube channel. This is a new channel, so we really need your support. Subscribe and get updates from this channel, everything related to Jakarta EE. Yeah, that's basically it from me, Tanya.
Okay. So that is everything that we have for today, unless there are questions, comments, inputs, or something else from the community. Okay, so it seems to me that this is really appropriate call for the summer version, short and sweet, so you can go ahead and enjoy the rest of your days. And we'll talk again next month. Thank you so much. We'll be in touch.
See you then.
See you. Bye.
Bye.